I like it. Don't have Aperol spritz. This is much better. Hi guys. Who's ready to make a delish cocktail using this beautiful Aperol lollies? Why not use these basically to make mix them with my favorite cocktail, which is, if you watch my videos, you know it's a margarita. Aperol margarita. So tag along, we're gonna go and make an Aperol margarita. Come on. Here I am with my lollies and ice. Are you ready to make my Aperol margarita? I am, and I'm kind of too excited for it. But before that, let's start by making a lemon wedge to rim my glass with salt. I've got my glass here. I'm gonna put a lime all over my rim. And I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. Perfect. So next step, grab your shaker and add your tequila in. I'm gonna add 60 ml of tequila. That's 45. Ooh, it's a bit more, but 60 ml of tequila. Now, instead of my triple sec, I'm gonna go and use like normal, smooth, no pulpy orange juice, because I've already got some alcohol in my Aperol, so I don't want to make it too boozy. So I'm going to add 30 ml of this orange juice in. We need our lemon. That's obviously not enough, so I'm just going to get... Oh, that's okay. Just leave it there. Then we'll add a dash of sweetener. That'll do. I like my margarita a bit sour. And last but not least, it's Aperol time. But before starting to shake, I'm planning to put these back in the freezer, because obviously I'm going to make more of this drink and I don't want this to melt away. Give me a sec, I'll be back. And I'm back. And I was thinking with myself, like, do I need to add more ice? But I think the lolly will do its job for now, but we'll see. If I need, I'll add later. Start shaking. I think my Aperol piece has already melted away. Should I add some ice into... Let's add some ice into the glass. One down. And let's pour it in. Look at the color. Perfect. Garnish it with my beautiful lemon wedge. Oh, I need to up my game in garnishing. Look, why does it stand like that? Should I give it another try? Is it gonna fall in? Don't fall, don't fall. Stay there. Oh, I think the other cut was much better. Ah, it is what it is. So voila, here is our Aperol margarita. Are you ready? Let's give it a taste. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. Margarita is my favorite cocktail. Aperol is my least favorite spirit. So let's see how it's gonna taste. Cheers. Actually, I like it. I love the orange flavor. I'm happy that I added orange juice. It's not that sweet, so the amount of my simple syrup is perfect. And yeah, thumbs up, double thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Obviously, we're the Tipsy We're the Tipsy Duo. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you have tried a margarita before with an Aperol. I'm gonna come back and do more twists on classic margaritas. Stay tuned, I'm gonna come back. Bye for now.